Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to search with Lens in YouTube on your PC. This feature allows you to search for images using Google Lens directly within the YouTube platform. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your web browser and navigate to YouTube. You can do this by typing youtube.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Step 2. Once you're on the YouTube page, simply right-click anywhere on the screen. A context menu will appear with various options. Step 3. From the context menu, click on Search Images with Google. This will open a new tab with the Google Lens interface. Step 4. In the Google Lens interface, you can now select an area to search for. Simply click and drag your mouse to highlight the specific image or section you want to search. Google Lens will analyze the image and provide you with relevant search results. Using Lens in YouTube is a great way to explore images and find related videos or information. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.